Hi, I'm Karl Peters, the executive chef at the Reno Sparks Convention Center, and I'm going to make Indian fry bread with our smoked trout, stream trout spread. So we're going to start with our Indian fry bread. Our oil is about 375, and we're going to add the fry bread to it. It's going to take a few minutes to cook, so while this is cooking, I'm going to make our spread. We take cream cheese, smoked stream trout that's been flaked up, 8 ounces of trout, and about 4 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to add 1/2 of a red onion. Very few ingredients, but more importantly, it has the local Reno flavor to it. So a little lemon juice, a little pepper, and some sea salt. And I have a little sage from the garden and a little chipotle chili powder. All right, so our fry bread is ready to go. Our spread is ready to go. I'm just gonna scoop a little bit into a ramekin here. We're gonna put some fry bread on the side. And there you have it. Indian fry bread and smoked stream trout spread from Reno. Enjoy.